I was born and raised in Los Baños, Laguna in the Philippines at the foothills of a mountain called Mount Makiling, which was said to be inhabited by a nature spirit, or diwata as we called it, named Maria. Later, as I was completing my studies at the University of Texas at Austin, I did a project that was surveying the various Southeast Asian folk tales. This story of Maria and the Mouse Deer puts together some of those tales. And the amazing thing is that all these cultures, different cultures, have these same stories, and we all share the values that are meant to be learned from them. Fables of the World is a series that will aim to connect youth and families with a myriad of cultures that emphasize the commonalities and universalities of these stories.